We are in Ford land. We had stuff happen today. Somehow I think there's a story behind this one. But turns out this general area right here, not so much over here, right here, there was some damage. And it's like caved in. Oh gosh. So this nice round thing over here is a nice sharp point right there, and there's hole. I'm having El Camino flashbacks. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're done looking at that. Well, we got this taken apart. We got that taken apart. I got teenagers out here practicing basketball, so don't mind them. I got that taken apart. This, and some of that, and some of this, and some of that, and I did this and that. Oh, can I get in here? And some of that, and this, and we took all this off, and that too. And then we did some scraping down in here. Got some of that stuff out. Ugh. And we did the bed rail here. And we did the bed rail there. And because I was curious, we did some of that too. So, I was a little surprised by the driver's side, but like I said many moons ago, there's not going to be any more good cars or trucks that come through that are of this era, because they're all like 50, 60, 70 years old now. So, apparently this thing got 1 or 2 paint jobs on the cab or something. There was a couple different colors of blue. There's some lacquer primer. There was even some neon green stuff in there somewhere. So I don't know what happened to it, but bumpers are off, balance is off, and we played a nice fun game today of how many bolts are going to break and how many are we going to cut off. So I think I broke 3 and cut 3 and whatever. Well, we got the fender off. We got the truck pretty much taken care of and taken apart. I'm going to cut the glass out of it probably tomorrow. For some reason, this is a Sport Custom, which means that it should have the trim along the bottom. Some of them got this button pushed along here. This truck did not. But the real head scratcher for me is that Customs got the stainless around the window, which this one did. But when they did the front, they also, so it says the parts ordering list, did the back, and this one doesn't have stainless on the back window. So I'm not really sure what happened along the years, but the back stainless for the back slider is not there anymore. So we'll do a non-custom rear seal and a custom rear front seal. This stuff looks pretty good. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna, here's my table of goods. And tomorrow I'm going to go through and finish getting the last pieces of moldings off. I just got these on the bottom of the door and the fender, so I'll get those off, and then I can start probably running a sander and scraping and kind of seeing what's going to hold and what's not going to hold and how much primer I got to put on it. Probably prime the whole thing, but whatever. So yeah, there's where we are for the day. We got some stuff done. Tables are filling up. My tag and bag bucket's filling up too. Check it out. Oh, we're doing all right. There's the F250. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Remember to check out our event section. We got the Christmas tree run Sunday, so that's going to be cool. We'll see you guys out in Sweet Home. I think 9 a.m. is the meetup. Stop by the Buy Mart early and get yourself a tree permit. They're only $5. I'll grab an extra one for in case somebody needs one or something like that. But anyway, I kind of a mess after today. But looking forward to seeing you guys on Sunday. We're gonna have a good run. Should be nice and easy. It is snowing on the mountain right now, but I anticipate the snow level rising quite a bit on Sunday. It's gonna be raining, it's gonna be wind blowing, and there will be snow on the ground. So just go prepared, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for being here. Take care, guys.